What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Halabibu Official. Today, guys, I'm coming live and clear from another beautiful village. Thank you so much for returning a subscriber. I want to appreciate you on that. And in case you're new here, subscribe. And today I want to show you amazing videos ever. So guys, this is where I'm coming from. And thank you so much for my beloved people. For those who are watching these videos, let me greet you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where I'm watching this video from the far end. And today, guys, it's an amazing videos, guys. So as you can see, this is the perimeter wall here, and it's amazing day by itself. And I want to say thank you so much, guys. So this is the gate over here, and you have some cows. You know, in our village here, we want to have some cows, but this is the napier grass over here. This is the cow. What's up? Right, so I'm heading this way, and technically everything shall be good and fantastic, man. So this is the flower garden over here that you see. Wow, look at this. This is the bulb. So very soon they want to have some bulb. This is a highway. You want to come from that way, and very soon they want to fix some special gate over there. Imagine, we have flowers, bulb, extension. Wow. So guys, guess what, where I am, and today it's a special day to me. Wow, look, the neighbors over there. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these videos? And maybe when you come from that way, you're gonna go to other flower garden, or I mean the landscaping. Wow guys, look at these trees. Amazing, man. Beautiful views. Wow. So in case you're new here, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these videos, guys? And today I want to show you amazing, beautiful. Look at these flowers, man. Wow. Very nice. Wow. Such a kind of that flowers, guys. I love it. And maybe I want to give you some quick tour on this over here. So we have some flowers. Look at this, stein shape. Wow. Hey. Look like 5 stars. Hey. Wow, guys. So that's the way. Look at this house. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these videos for today. Can you give a like and comment, guys? Whew. Can you know what I'm tired? I'm a bit. Right. So we just here, and technically I want to give you a quick tour inside the house to see what is going on. Hey. Wow. Okay, so this is the balcony over here, and maybe you're chilling. Look, the way things they are made. Wow, going. Hey. I can't even explain, guys. We have a wheelbarrow over here, and in case you're new in construction, look at this house, man. So we have this is the first floor, man. And it's a very special house in our village here, and technically that is it. Wow. So over here we have the maize corn. I want to show you. There is the maize corn over here. So you must do the whole process and all stuff. And over there there's the parking area. That's the parking area over here. So because you have some bees there, I don't want to go there or to show you any more. Ngatui. Tahiru, kwa nusionekane, si mbaya. Okay. Ken, introduce me, Ken.
Hey guys, Ken be here to fight for the next. This is next time. This is not my first time seeing this channel. Thank you for supporting my brother here. So kindly, after watching this video, go check me out, KNV254. And we have here Hello Baby. So today he said he's going to give you a quick tour of inside.
Tunaweza enda?
No. Yes, I'm coming. Yeah. So
okay. So guys, technically let me give you a quick tour of this house, man. Hey! Wow guys, but it's dark. No light here. Wow. So this is a brand new house here. And you have bedroom here. Maybe this is a master bedroom. Maybe you have like wow guys, so this is the master bedroom over here, as you can see. And this is the work that Ken have been come to made here. Wow. Hey. Wow, amazing one. Look at this place. And maybe technically when you are inside on this room, you are open and then you see outside they have nice and huge windows. So and then here you wanna close the door like this. As I told you, I wanna give you technically a good tour. And this is the washroom. So you wanna put here some soap. Maybe you have hot water, cold water, and maybe here you wanna hang some towel. Guys, in case I'm wrong, but I guess this one here. So I wanna make some research. Maybe on my toilet I could have this stuff. Wow. So here maybe water can goes down and all stuff that you see here. Wow. Here you can put some tissue. So this is the upcoming mansion. Wow. Why you come to know? So this after maybe you excuse yourself in the toilet, you wanna wash your hands here. Over here. Oh, this is a master bedroom. Wow. So look at the way it's styled, the way Ken made things here. In case you are building a house, guys, please call Ken254. They can build for you a house like this. And because it was painted and put some ceiling board, so that's how they have a huge echo. Wow. So example of this master bedroom, and you want to see people outside. Even you can watch your neighbor over there. Wow. You have some socket here. Yeah, there is power. There's power. Wow, so this is a bar. Maybe the main switch is here. Let's see. Wow. So thank you so much for those people who are watching my videos. Technically, I want to give you a special quick tour, and it's reminding me some skirting tiles, nice tiles down here that you see. Oh man, look at this. A nice designing. I love it. And let me show how people painting. Yeah. So you just paint. Yeah. So they really painting here. And guys, I love it. I love it. To be honest, I love it. You paint. Every room they have some. Alright. Wow, guys. So this is the next room because painting is going on. So this is the white paint. You have machine. And here you are charging this stuff, the battery of another machine. Let me show you here, because right now some construction are being going here. So that is it. But I give you a quick and special tour. Hey. When you are inside, imagine you close like this. Wow, guys. So you see, you are curing this paint. Maybe yesterday they want to paint this door, so that's why the reason to cure the black stuff. It reacted like a machine gun. This is a drilling. You can maybe drill on putting some screw. I mean, when I say screw, guys, you know I'm new here. I'm trying to find some screw. So I mean, screw. Let me show you. A screw is like this one. So this one here, over here. So that's the work of this stuff. So let me return here. Alright, guys. So let me know in the comment section. Wow, what did you think about these videos? So let me record.
Leave me alone.
Guys, let me show you another amazing places over here. Over here. Yes, so you're passing this way. Hey. Maybe this is a parking area. There's some grills, bricks. Hey. Wow, guys. Look at this house. Wow, guys. It's a beautiful house in this village. Is this in Nakamara? Look at this. Go and show people. Look at this. Yes. Alright. So guys, I mean, when you come with a bad intention here, this stuff, you wanna see more fire. Okamare. You wanna see more fire. You see the way they behave. Hii ni mwanaume, si ndio? So these are male, that's a female. Alright, guys. So we have a kuna umbwa. Okay, maybe I can take a picture for the short videos. For my short video. Right, guys, so I'm taking short videos. Wow. Guys. Right. Hey. So let me show you some dog over here. This is another project maybe for the tents here. So nowadays we don't have hens. Imefunga. So I'm heading to show you maybe the dogs, where they stay and maybe live. And actually it's a kennel, maybe this way. Hey. Wamefunga. What's up? Zinaweza kufunga. Sisi zimefunga.
Zingine hajafunga.
Oh, tena hajafunga.
Hapo unaziona vizuri. Tatu tu.
Look at this. Okay. So I don't want to disturb some dogs here. And there is the guava trees. Yeah, you can see the guava over there. Yes, the guavas. Whew. We have Popo here with a minute of course. Hey, can I connect your aqua? Alright guys, this is the Popo here. We have plenty of them. So and this is the paper, I mean small paper. Right, avocados, berry. Wow. So, hey. These are cassava. We have banana over here. What's up? What's up? Okay, I'm going back home. So I'm heading this way. Nine. No talk. Right. So there is my time over here. Wow. Hey. So this is how these things they are made over here. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Yeah. Okay. Hey, so this amazing quick tour here. This is a balcony. And I guess over there we have a kitchen. The balcony here. And it has the door here. Hey. Yeah, you see guys, so this is a balcony over here. This is a kitchen, so let me show you maybe. I think my time can allow. Yeah, upcoming kitchen here. And this is a dining hall. There is a sitting room. Yes. Alright guys, so this is how the house looks like outside. So I wanna say goodbye because I'm leaving this place here, but a tears of joy rolls down my cheeks. And this is the tank over here. Wow, we have plenty of water. Maybe I need to wash my hands. Wow guys. Okay, so in case you're new here, let me know in the comment section what do you think about these videos. This is the back door. Wow. So over here we have some, maybe I need to close the gate for the security purpose maybe. Yeah, like that. So over here we have the maize corn, and I'm trying my best. I'm trying to leave this place, and this is how they look like. Wow. But I thank God for this farm. And the maize corn that I'll show you here. So in case you're new here, let me know in the comment section what you think about these videos. Kindly give a like, comment, and also you can share guys. So that is the best way to support Hello Baby Official. Yes. So right now guys, I'm leaving, so I'm driving, going back home, and it's an amazing tour, but I give you a special quick tour. So right now I'm going back home. This is how the things looks like in the village. Look at this. Wow. So I keep drive slowly going back. over here. Okay. Yeah, so the tipper. Wow. So technically, I wanna take you to the market. We have more amazing. We have a special market here, and today is a market day. But I wanna try my best to take you there and to see what's going on. Wow. So some cars are passing on me over here, but it is what it is. There we have a school called St. Mary School. It's a girls' school over there on the other side. Okay. So I'm just keep driving my motorbike. At the same time, I'm vlogging myself. And I'm grinding hard, guys, to chase my dream outside there. So as you can see, that's the sand going that way, right? So technically, guys, every day I'm grinding hard to achieve my goal, to achieve my dream. It's amazing. It's amazing. Oh, there's a bounce. So I want to take you to the market and see what is going on. So here I drive carefully. So we are on this small market called Mabera Market. Okay, maize corn over there. And guys, sorry for the wind blowing today, but this is a market today. But I will take you where some animals have been sold and goats, sheep, or stuff. Okay guys, sorry for the music. Okay. Guys, I left the tarmac road, so I'm using this one, going to the market. Yeah. Okay. So today it's an amazing day ever. So I'm heading this way. Wow. And I had on the comment section, hello baby, why don't you wear some helmet? I'm watching on it. Okay. So midday, I wanna show you amazing videos. We have a hospital here called some domain over here. So technically it's a nice hospital, and it's doing a surgery or a theater, I mean so. And we have a home hospital here called Mabera Maternity Nursing over here. Okay. Ooh. I think we're almost hitting our destination market. Yep. Hola. Wow. So it's over here, and at the far end, there's the gambling going there. Maybe after you sold your cow, you wanna pay some money. So I'm just drive slowly. Okay. Right. So guys, I parked my motorbike over here. So I want to show you this market. Wow. So today is a market day. So you see some cars here. Wow. So technically I want to take you there. So you can see today is a market day over here, I mean. So some cars here, lorries, taking some cows. Right. A police here. Okay.
Original cocaine.
Okay, this is the goat over here. Yes. So this is father to Cardi Joseph. Here, we bought some goat over here. Okay. There's so many of them there. Yes, this crowd Joseph fathers, guys.
Yes.
You're all getting the dream. Okay, so it's a market day here. So he purchased this goat over here. So you want to slaughter them?
Yes, I'm going to slaughter.
For making soup, maybe. Okay.
Like my mom.
You choose this one.
This one here.
Okay. All right. So you have some goats over here, and I need to take you to the cow's place. I mean, so look at this. Okay. Right, so the market of the cows over here. Huge cows. What do you think about this market? Over here, they sold sugarcane. Cows. Right now, guys, I'm leaving this market here. So I'm going back home. So I have some business over there, but I'm heading this. Okay. Going back. Yeah. I need to check my bike outside. Hey, okay. I'm gonna okay. He need to pick me, but I have my own motorbike. So let me check my key. So the key is here, but I'm heading this way to pick my motorbike. This is my cook. This is a market, chicken market over here. Look at this. Going up to that way. So you shinga
1,000.
Iga? Nauza. Iga ngotegere. Ngotegere ngoko. Ngotegere nipatie hela.
Maka hiyo wewe, ngote.
Kuku zako ziko wapi? So the owner of this adini yako. It's a duck head. Oh.
Muna tanto te grande che lo guardate. Ultimo chi mi to corra ma senti.
Don't nguchange.
Te grande.
So I'm telling him I'm coming here to purchase some hen, and then he said I left him for the money. Free money. No. Even me, man, I'm hustling. Yeah. No free money. Today, guys, I'm selling kuku here. Yes, go and check my kuku. Is here.
The chicken seller.
So today I'm coming at chicken seller. Hey.
I am a kuku, the chicken seller.
Oh, guys, I like this hen. Onieki hapa chini. This is the cook. Okay, Maku. Bye. Okay, guys. It's my time to leave here. That's my currency or my MP member right now over there. Okay, so I'm leaving this place. Going back home. Yeah. So right now I'm going back home after showing you amazing content on market day. And at the far end, 100 meters from here, we have a beautiful restaurant called Job Hotel. In case you don't know, I make a video there. My first trip madam over here. So I made us a restaurant over there. Okay. So I'm going back home. Wow. Amazing views, man. Right. And people are coming from the markets. At the far end, I want to see one guy have some cows. 4 cows, I mean. There's this one here. Right, so I'm driving back to my village, Homestead village. In case, guys, imagine when I could have a sports bike, man, I could drive from here to Kisumu or to Nakuru, even Nairobi with my motorbike. And I want to show you amazing content or traveling vlog. But I thank God I have this, my small motorbike. It took me around my village here, and I show you. sorry guys. I show you how the things they are here. Wow. Going that way. Right. So in case you are new here, let me know in the comment section what do you think about today's vlog. It's an amazing vlog by itself, you know. Wow. Going that way. Okay, we have a bridge here. Let's go. We have a garden there, sold some flowers, everything. Wow. Hey. So, even guys, you can try to imagine I'm vlogging with one hand and another hand riding a motorbike. You can see, so here no hand. But professionalism is the best key. So I'm professional, I'm driving slowly, and I take care of myself, you know. So I don't drive where the car is passing, you know. I'm not driving where the car is passing, but I'm driving on the passenger side. Let's go. So it's my time to leave. Ooh, you see the car is passing on the other side, going that way. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Alright, so today it's a market today, and that market is Mabera market. You can go during the market today, during Sunday and Thursday. Like today it's on Thursday, it's a market today. So this is a motorbike from Tanzania. From Tanzania. So I mean the market today, we have 2 days, Sunday and Thursday. But today it's on a Thursday. So market today. I mean, wow, I'm almost going back to my village, which is near Homestead village. Wow. Let's go. And man, today it's amazing videos. Look at bungalow house over there. A nice bungalow. Dream comes to the reality. Wow. So I'm thinking big and dreaming hard. But one day it can blow out. I'm keep showing you amazing views, amazing village. Like, man, I travel a lot from my village up to another village. So keep going. near gas, you know. So why can I give people ride free of charge? And me, I'm just putting some free house there. And for me, guys, I keep every day putting some gas on my motor here. And people, the only thing they need is to give free ride, escorting people free. And I can escort my mom or congrats mom because that is the part of the family. At the same time, they wanna put for me a free gas, you know, like David Jr. He puts for me free gas. Congrats mom. I can drive him any place they want, but other people they need free. But they think things meant for free. No man, no. So I'm almost back to my village. So this is another. You see people are going to the market. Overloading. Man, people are killing me on this village. Overloading. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. I'm reached back to my village here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Homestead Official. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where are you watching this vlog for today. And actually today it's quite morning over here, and I thank God for this far. And in case you're new here, subscribe, comment, and I thank God every day I got a new member on my YouTube channel. I really appreciate. And let me check my local time here, and then as I we move, you know, it's good to check the time. So you see it's 8:12 a.m. in the morning here. So I need to take my sister back to school. I think only on Tuesday I didn't take my sister back to school because I wake up early in the morning. I go far away from my village here to make some stuff. So yesterday I escorted her, and today I want to escort her with my mom. So because right now my mom, I see she was waiting over there. She wanna take some business to the market, all selling of the kales, you know. So that is how things they are here. So as you can see, I wear some sweaters or jacket, and right here we have our cows. What's up? Yeah, so these are our cows here. This is my mama cows, and she was working so hard. She was a hard-working woman in this village. I recognize on that, guys. So my motorbike I've already taken outside. In case you're new here, that is where I'm calling home. So this is my motorbike. This is my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, I escort her to school. Na unatengeneza call. You must make your call kila siku. Yeah, like this way. This is my mom here. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, she has a business. Kuna nini huko?
Sukuma wiki.
Yes, this is the sukuma wiki. Maybe. Yes, open. Maybe people can see. So she wanna take her business to the market, and then at least to get something. This is my brother's business. So in case you don't know, the sukuma wiki is this one here. And you know, in US they called green collar, this one here. So they sell it and give my brothers the money, and maybe my brother can buy some sugar. So guys, story for another day. So funga 20. That's not it work. Alright guys, so let me take my sister back to school. We are heading this way. So you see guys, I'm not blagging things. That is my mom. Hey, Okay, guys, so you're heading this way. Stay tuned. And this is how our village looks like everywhere. Technically, pure green, man. You can see at the far end, going that way, green, 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 green. So I can't wait to share with you, but I will see live. So guys, I'm heading this way. This is my motorbike. Right. And nowadays these things are not working, so I'm using the kick. You see? Wow! So this is our time to leave the village here, but I'm heading this way. Wow! And then guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video for today. Kindly give a like, comment and share, guys. So wow, this is how my village looks like. And this is Amuram Road here. Wow. This land have already been sold, so they put some Jordy! Yeah. Guys, my mom showing a fear. Alright. So guys, we will keep moving this road. In case you are new here, go and check me there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So it's a fine morning here, but by itself, by God's grace, man, you know what I mean. That is a tall fence. Look at this village, very developing. Over here, over there. Hey, perimeter wall meant for the bleeds. All rocks, I mean. So guys, we almost over here. Yeah. The school is here from my sister over there. Wow. And this is the school of my sister over here. We call River David the school. So guys, we're almost here. Yes. Como que school? Swenda shule ama ni nini? Okay. Okay. So maybe I want to escort my mom to the market to sell this kumawiki over here. Take her tree. Okay guys, so stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here. Maybe to the market, I mean. So guys, I'm escorting my mom here. Hey, from there. This hey. That's my record. Okay guys, I'm escorting my mom here. This is called cassava, maize corn. Hey. You have charcoal, sorghum, beans. So guys, it's my time to leave, so I need to check my motorbike. This is what we call in Nyabuhansi. Jamoto pit up. Minanda. Yeah, this is how Nyabuhansi looks like. Eh? Amaja yana shida. Yeah, so I'm calling that guy. Faster.
How are you guys? I'm Sholavo official right now. Yeah, here it's morning. As you can see. Yeah.
Okay. So he was the barber shop for Ken 254. He was the one who shaved people here. And you came to fetch water. Okay. Guys, go and check him. Alright guys, so thank you so much. I have welcome back home. And then guys, that's my project over there. Maybe next week I want to resume on that. So guys, thank you so much. For those who are welcome to my channel, may God bless you. And give this a video a like, comment. And I think from the first vlog up to the end, it's an amazing one guys. So I feel like I'm tired like a goat. But I want to have like little bit rest. I can sleep like 2 hours and to flash my mind. So I'm so tired, man, so I can't complain on that. And technically this is where I'm living and I'm doing everything. This is my toilet over here. So I think maybe by God willing next week I shall resuming there. So guys, guess what, I need to construct this toilet and then I finish. After finishing, I'll see for the next progress maybe. Man, construction was too hard. And I'm thinking like I can left, but let's try. I will finish by God's grace. So guys, I want to say bye-bye. May God bless you abundantly, guys. So bye-bye.